Alright guys, One UI 8.5 beta is here. Let's get started and see exactly what's going on. Look at this new update screen. If I go to my settings and if I go down and check for software updates in One UI 8.5, I get this beautiful screen. When I tap on check for updates, it just looks nice and clean. Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have some amazing news. Official One UI 8.5 beta is now here. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get it, the list of eligible smartphones, and the timeline for the release as far as we know it. So let's dive in and get started right away. Now first and foremost, if you want to get One UI 8.5 beta, what you want to do is you want to go to your Samsung members application, which is going to be right over here. It's pre-installed on most Galaxy phones. So you tap on it, all right? Once you tap on it, you are going to see a banner that shows eligibility. So if I scroll down, you can see right over here somewhere I'm going to see the banner under the beta program. If you don't see it here, you can go to the top and you can scroll through these bars over here. And again, if you don't see it here, just scroll down until you see the beta program. You tap on that guy, and you can see One UI 8.5 beta is available. This also brings us to the current eligible smartphone. So very, very important. Right now, only the S25 series are eligible. This beta should be available starting today, which is December 8th, in a few countries: Germany, India, Korea, Poland, UK, and United States. So if you meet that criteria, you can get One UI 8.5 beta. So what I'm going to do is here, you can see this beta supports T-Mobile and unlocked devices only. So I am in the US. So this is an unlocked model, so I am supported. Or if you have a T-Mobile, if you have an AT&T model, it is not going to work. So look at that over there. And then what you can do is you can agree to diagnostic data. So that's going to be up to you. It's going to send information to Samsung as you use your beta phone so you can make it better. So I'm going to enable that. I'm going to tap on join. Okay. Now once you tap on join, within a couple minutes, first of all, you're going to see the joined option. But within a couple minutes, you should get the update file. So let me tap on that one more time. That's what you see. And then you can tap on check for software updates. And if it's available right away, it's going to pop right up. Let's hope it does. There we have it. Absolutely fantastic. So it is going to be a seamless install. It's going to be a while. Let me just go down over here. I'm going to show you guys. It is 4 gigabytes in size. Ends in ZYL8. It says One UI 8.5 Android 16. It does have the latest security patch, which is December the 1st. Okay, so I'm going to let this install. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to show you some of the new features. Now in this screen, I also want to show you guys, if you go up a little bit, you can see it says One UI 8.5 beta. I can tap on all changes to see all the new features. And of course, I'm going to touch on these guys as soon as the update cycles through. But you can see we have Galaxy AI improvements, continuous image generation. We have some connectivity improvements. And I'm going to scroll down. I want to show you something really nice over here. We have home and lock screen enhancements, automatic lock screen layout, more customizable clock fonts. That's great. And we also have an enhanced weather widget that also shows the pollen index. And also we have changes to the clock. You can see we have weather alarm backgrounds. That's going to be great. And time zone converter. And I'm going to show you all these things right away. But let's wait for this to quickly install, and we are going to be right back. Alright, so after the update, once the phone restarts, this is the screen you're going to see. It says welcome One UI 8.5. We can go to the home screen or tap on start. Let's do this one so we can tour it. Okay, so it talks about Galaxy AI. It lists all the features. Tap on next. Alright, it says you're all set. That's all there is to it. And then we can tap on what's new or go to home. Let's see what's new. Okay, so when I tap that, it brings up the what's new screen, but looks like there's nothing here just yet. So we're going to skip this. We're going to actually go home. So tap on home, and here we are. Alright, so right away, I'm going to show you guys the new control center, the changes to it. So I'm going to bring that from the corner down. Here it is. Okay, that's what you're going to see when you first restart. Now look at this amazing new customization. Tap on edit and you are able to add a control. When I tap on add a control, it brings up this entire screen from where I can add any control I want. So I can add utilities, as you can see. I can change the size of that. That is great. Much like the iPhone, to be honest, but that's the way I like it. And I can tap on this guy. That goes right there. I can tap over here, add the media, change the size. This is great. Okay, let me add one more over here. Tap add a control. Let's tap wireless DeX. Tap again. Let's add the search over here, and then tap on done, and that will be my new control center. By the way, tap on edit and I can just move stuff around just the way I want it. Okay, nice, cool, smooth animations as I do it, which is also the way I like it. So that flips to the top by itself. Okay, we're gonna go to the details on all these in a separate video, but I do want to give you guys some quick highlights. Now we also have that brand new weather application update. So overall it's going to look the same, but look at this. This is a very useful category they added. It's going to say pollen, and it tells you allergies, tree, grass, ragweed. So you're going to see that right over here, which is fantastic addition. I check this all the time as I do have some allergies. So right now it says none, so I don't have to worry about that, but that's right there. So that's been added. That is great. The settings menu looks a little bit different. If I tap on this one, you can see we have a new design. Subtle, but definitely new, as you can see. Rounded corners, slightly different background. You can see the search bar is at the bottom now. Just an overall streamlined design. Most of the things are the same over here with some rearrangements. We will look at all the details. By the way, look at this. If I go to my settings and if I scroll down and go to software update, now we have this nice clean screen. I can tap on check for updates, and then it's gonna tell me it's up to date right now. So I do like this new look, and I can tap on the software information, or you can see we get the details, or I can tap over here and tap on last update to get what happened with the last update. So here's all the changes. One more thing I'm going to quickly show you guys has to do with the home and the lock screens. So it looks like we have automatic lock screen layout. So let's see how that works, including the shifting clock really quickly. All right, tap on wallpaper. Let's pick a nice wallpaper, see how that clock behaves in the background. So I'm going to pick this wallpaper right over here. I'm going to tap on done. Let's see what happens. Boom. Okay, automatically the wallpaper shifted down and the clock wrapped itself around it. That is great. All that was done automatically. And we do have the shifting clock enabled, of course. If I don't enable that, that is not going to happen. But then you can do things like this. Let's tap on the wallpaper. Look at that. Beautiful. And the color changes by itself. We have this new feature here at the bottom. If you select this, color gets adapted from the wallpaper, and then no matter where I put this, it is going to give me different colors. It's going to adapt based on the wallpaper. That looks beautiful. Let's see what that looks like. Fantastic. All right, so I just want to give you guys a couple of highlights here, but please stay tuned. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to show you guys all the new features in nice rich detail. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. Do let me know if you're getting it or not.